first layer of the Rubik's Cube. So let's start. So guys, first we'll make a daisy. So you have to look in the side. The yellow should be on top. Now let me tell how to make a daisy. So first you will put whites here. So like if in the back there's one here, then we'll just rotate that and do it here. So now look, it's here. So now if it's in the side one piece, white piece, then you can just do like this, and look, one more petal has been added. Now we have to repeat that for all the edges of the yellow one. Like this. We have white everywhere. Now we have to like here is green, so we'll put green in the middle, and then we'll rotate it like this. We have to repeat that in every edge, and like yellow here, just do it like this, and then you will do like this, and you got this. Now you'll repeat that in every edge. So guys, we have like a white cross here, and you don't only want that. Here we should match the two colors also. If you did the steps correct, you will have this. Now we have to solve the whole first layer. So we'll do the corners. So check the bottom layer, like white will be on top, and then yellow it's down. So like we have to find one corner piece which has white in it. So we'll drag that, like the other colors are orange and green, so we'll put that in orange and green color thing, and then we have to do this algorithm like this. Repeat that until it is like this. Look, this went here. Yeah, this corner piece went from here to here. Now we have to drag this white piece which are red and blue. So we'll drag that to red and blue here. Now we'll do the algorithm again. We got it here. Now we'll repeat that for every edge. As you can see, we have solved the first layer.